Dear students, I am Dr. Mahesh Shirulal, Assistant Professor, Department of Roga Nidana. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nidana, Samprapti, Rupa, all the aspect of Nidana Panchaka of the Panduroga, its Upadrava and Sadhya Sadhyata, and a different understanding of the Panduroga with contemporary understandings. So with this, we'll be starting the Panduroga. Still now, we had discussed about the Roga Nidana first, where the Dosha Sammurchana, understanding of the Vyadhi, etc. were discussed. Now onwards, we will be discussing individual disorders. So individual disorders has to be understood with the Nidana Panchaka, its Sadhya Sadhyata, its types, etc. So in this video, we are starting about the Panduroga. So the word meaning of the Pandu. What is the meaning of the Pandu is Pandustu Pitabhagartha Ketaki Duli Sannibaha. That means it is the Pitata or the paleness of any part of the body is called as the Pandu. It is the Varna Pradhana or the Lakshana Pradhana Vadinamakarana. Okay, so this condition is named Pandu because in this condition the persons will become Panduvarnata. Person will become Panduvarnata. For that only this disorder is named as Panduroga. And very important, it is Pitta Pradhana Vyadhi and Rasa Pradoshaja Roga. Both are very important. The Pandu, in contemporary understanding, we will understand with the anemia. But anemia is hematological disorder, but Pandu is the Rasa Pradhana. So don't tell about Pandu is the Rakta Pradhana Vyadhi. Pandu is always Rasa Pradhana and Pitta Pradhana Vyadhi. So Pitta is the dosha and the Rasa is the dusha involved in the samprapti of this illness, that is the Panduroga. Why it is the Rasa Pradhana? Why not the Rakta Pradhana? First we will discuss, if you come to know about why it is Rasa Pradhana than the Rakta Pradhana, then you can understand the disease very easily. That is Tata Apiha Raktakshayo Raktaposhaka Sarabhaga Pittena Kshapanat Raktaposhaka Sarabhaga Anutpajanascha. See, in Dhatu Poshana, the ahara whatever we will take, it will get digested and it will turns into the Dhatu Guna. That is the first Dhatu is the Rasa. From the Rasa, its Poshaka Bhaga will make the nourishment of the Rakta and the Upadhatus, subsequent Dhatu and Upadhatus, and the Kita Bhaga will be excreted out of the body. So in Panduroga, the main pathologies involved is Rakta Poshaka Sarabhaga Anutpadana. Here, Rakta Poshaka Sarabhaga will not be produced due to the vitiation of the Rasa. Rakta will be normal, but the Rasa is vitiated, leading to improper production of Rakta Poshaka Sarabhaga, so that the Rakta will not be produced well and leading for the Panduroga. That is only, it is called as Kshapanat Rakta Poshaka Sarabhaga Anutpadanascha due to Pittena. So for that only it is Pitta Pradhana Rakta Pradoshaja Vyadhi. Which is why this understanding of Samprapti is important, because whenever we are treating a patient of the Pandu, we should always keep to treat the Pitta and to make the Rasa properly, not the Rakta. Okay, here we will not give the Rakta Shodhana or Rakta Poshana, the drugs acting on the Rakta Dhatu. We need to give the drugs which will act on Pitta and the Rasa. For that only this concept is important. Coming to the Nidhanas of the Pandu, as we know that it is Panduroga is one of the very important Pitta Javadi. For that only Kshara Amla Lavana Atyushna Viruddha Satme Abhojanat Satme Bhojanat Nishpava Masha Pinyaka Tila Tailan Nishevanat Vidagde Anne Divasopnat Avayamat Maitunastata Pratikarsta वैषम्याद उद्वेगाद च विदारणात् कामचिंता भय क्रोध शोक उपहत चेतसः समुद्दीर्णं यदा पित्तं हृदयं समवस्थितम्. See, all the nidanas of Pittaja nidanas. So Panduroga is purely of the Pittaja, and the person who will indulge in Pittakara nidanas like Kshara, Amla, Lavana, Ati, Ushna, Viruddha, Asatme Bhojana. If the person is indulges in Kshara, Amla, Lavana, Ati Ushna, Viruddha, Asatme Bhojana. Okay. See, Kshara, Amla, Lavana is whatever the spicy things nowadays we are seeing, they will be containing maximum of the Kshara and the Lavana gunas. So Kshara, Amla, Lavanam. The person takes Ati Ushna, Viruddhahara and Asatme Bhojana, then it will lead to the Pitta Prakopa. Nishpava Masha Pinyaka Tirataila Nishevanat. So oily foods, then fried foods, these all will lead to the Pitta Dushti. Vidagda Ahara. If the person is taking any ahara which is leading the Vidagdata. So we have the Vishtabdha Jirna, Vidagdha Jirna, Ama Jirna. If all the Nidanas which are explained for Vidagdha Jirna, which will also lead for Panduroga. Divaswapna, Abhayama, Amaituna, etc. These also will contribute for the Pitta Doshana. Then the Manasika Nidanas like Kama, Chinta, Bhaya, Krodha, Shoka, Upatacharis. So these Aharaja, Viharaja and the Manasika Nidanas which are a purely Pittakara, then it will lead to the Panduroga. So coming to the Panduroga Samprapti. Panduroga Samprapti Doshaha Pitta Pradhanastu Yasya Kuppanti Dhatushu Shaitilyam Tasya Dhatunam Gauravam Cha Upajayate Tato Varna Balasneho Ye Cha Anya Ojasa Gunaha Rujanti Dosha Kshamad Artha Dosha Dosha Pradoshana Sa Alparaktata Alpamedaskata Nisaraha Shitilindriyaha Vaivarnam Bhajate Tasyam Hetu Shrunusa Lakshanam. So very, very important shloka and understanding for the Panduroga. First we will tell that Doshaha Pitta Pradhanastu. So already we told that it is the Pitta Pradhana Vyadi Tasya Kuppanti Dhatushu. So when the Pitta Pradhana Doshana has happened, it will make the Dushana or the Dhatu Kuppeti. So it will make the Visheshana of the Dhatu. What it will do? It will make the Shaitilyata. Shaitilyam Tasya Dhatunam Gauravam Cha Upajayate. It will make the Shaitilyata of the Dhatus, in particularly Rakta Dhatu, leading for Varna, Bala, Sneha, Ojo Guna Hasaha. So in Pandurogam, we will see mainly 4 defects, that is the Varna. For that only Varna Hasa will be there. For that only it is named as Panduroga, Balahani, Snehahani and Ojosohani. So these 4 will occur due to the Pitta Pradhana leading to the Dhatu Shaitilyata. So how the Dhatu Shaitilyata will occur from the Rakta, we'll see in the next. And leading for Sa, so Alparaktata. it will lead for Alparakta, Alpameda, Nissaraha, Shitilendriya. So person will have the Alparakta. So quantitatively and qualitatively the Rakta Pramana will be reduced. Alpameda, as there is a Sneha Hani leading for the Alpameda. Nissara, because of Ojohani. Shitilendriya, it is also due to the Ojohani. Vaivarnyam bhajate, so Vaivarnya is the Pandu Vaivarnyam bhajate tasya shunu salakshanam. So this is a very important lakshanas, that is Alpa Praktata, Alpamedaskata, Nissaraha, Shitilendriya, Vaivarnyam bhajate tasya shunu tasya hetu shunu salakshanam. So very important lakshanas, including the samprapti of the Pandu. So if you see the classic in Charaka and even the Sushruta, the Pandu Samprapti is of a different opinion. Same thing is there, but it is explained in a different ways. So this is the first Samprapti where he will be telling that Pitta Pradhana will lead to the Shitilata of the Dhatu. Here he has not told which Dhatu, including Rakta Dhatu. All the Dhatu Shitilata will be leading for Varna, Bala, Sneha and Ojasoha. So about 3 Sampraptis are there. So among them, this is the first Samprapti. All are similar but with the different understandings. Okay. See. Pittaja Nidana Sevana, leading for Pitta Dosha Vikruti, Dhatu Shaitilyata, leading for Varna, Bala, Sneha, Ojo, Hani or Dikshaya, and leading for the Panduroga. In the Panduroga, Lakshana is Alparaktata, Alpamedaskata, Nissaraha, Shitilendriya. But these all are due to the effect of Varna, Bala, Sneha, Ojohani. And it is due to the Dhatu Shitilata led by Pitta Dosha. This is the first, a very simplest understanding of the Panduroga Samprapti. There is another understanding, that is Samuddiranam yada pittam hrudaye samavastitaha vayunam balinam kshipram sampam damani darshanam prapannam kevalam dehe tvak mamsashritam pradusham kafavata sukam sankani karoti tat pandu harita varnani bhavidasta sa pandu ityukta. So here Pandu, he is telling Pandu Varna is not only the thing, the person may have the Pandu, Harita, Haridra Varnata, and it is due to the Vata, Kafaja involvement, and the person, the Pitta which is residing in Hrudaya, Pittam Hrudayam Samavastitaham, will vishades due to the Vayunam, Balinam, Chiptam Sampabdate, Damani Darshana. Person will become so lean that he will be having only the tvak, the pitta which is residing in Hrudaya will be taken out from its sthana and it will take the sthana samshaya tvak mamsanshaye. So we should know that why there is a Vaivarna. So this pitta, and it is due to the pitta is taken off by the Vayu and made the sthana samshaya in between the tvak and mamsa, and leading for the different varnas, that is the Pandu, Harita, Haridra Varnata, and leading for the Panduro. So it is the reason behind why there will be the Pandu Varnata. Okay. So this is another understanding of the Panduroga. Pitta Janidana definitely, but the Pitta will be taken out from its sthana by the Vata, leading for Pitta sthana samshaya in tvak and mamsa, and leading for Bahuvidasta tvachi. That means the different color of the skin will be seen, that leading for, among them one is the Panduroga. So this is another Samprapti. Okay, so one is Rakta Sarabhaga Anutpadanam, that is the first understanding why there will be the Pandu. Second understanding is Dhatu Shaitilyata, leading for Varna Bala Ojas Sneha and Ojahani. This is another understanding of the Samprapti of the Panduroga. And the third one is the Vayunam Balinam Kshipraha. So it is due to the Vata which will be taking the Pitta and taking the Stansam Shade, Twak and the Mamsa, leading for Pandu. These all are telling the same thing but in a different way. Okay, so this is about the Nidana and the Samprapti of Panduroga. So in the next videos we will continue with its Purorupa, Rupa, Beda, Lakshana, Upadrava and its Sadhya Sadhya.